You should get that from me. I don't think I've ever done that. Who taught you this? Who taught you that weird step you're doing? Nah, that's the one I'm talking about. Now we know. Is that what she's gonna do when she's drawing fits? She's gonna start doing that? I think I'm okay with that kind of a fit. I'll laugh all the time. I'm never gonna get mad. Like, she's not gonna stomp her feet, she's just gonna start blowing bubbles.
Maybe you should do that too. That's when you get mad.
What an interesting little human. God gave me an interesting ball of interest. Praise the Lord, right? Gracias a Dios.